Hello, my alien students. Hope everyone is doing well. Okay, today, actually, this is one of my student. He asked this question. He saw one of my old videos, very, very old, in one of the first videos, one of the first Revit videos which I made in Revit, in Revit. So he just asked me, John, can you? It was a bit low in definition. So he said, John, do you mind if you can just make an upgrade? I said, يلا, we can do it. عاوز ايه يا عم؟ عاوز upgrade يا عم. خلاص يا باشا خلاص. طيب, what is the story? The story is as follows. He just wanted to do some upgrade. So you and I saw that first video which I made a couple of years back. So I said, okay, I will teach you. So this video is more on the user interface of Revit. Okay. So let's start. Let's enough of the basbousa or baklava. Let's start with the story. Okay, listen. So we are here in Revit. Okay, this is Revit. You may not be seeing this alien stuff. Okay, this alien project. You will be seeing something like this. This is the thing. Okay, so this is called a recent file. So what we're going to learn? We're going to learn today the Revit user interface. Okay, so the step one whenever you learn a software, okay, it's good to learn the basics, especially from scratch. Okay, so when you say on, if you click Revit, you will be seeing, if you're in a 2025 version, you will be seeing this user interface. So you may not be able to see all of this, you'll be seeing something else, but let's keep it this way. Anyway, so we have two category. One is model and one is family. Okay, model is something which you are doing on site. Family is something which you get from a factory. Just keep it as simple as that. Okay, we have more details to be added. um, we will speak to about it when we come there. Okay, when we speak, maybe in future classes I'll speak. So we have our beloved pen here. So yeah, so what I'm telling is, so this is the user interface. Okay, model. Anything you save, generally in Revit, we have extension RVT, Revit, AutoCAD, DWG, Excel, XLS, whatever. Okay, and RFA family is RFA. Okay, RFA, Revit RVT. Okay, that's the extension dot RVT dot RFA. Okay, so that is the story for that. We keep that one there, and we will start the project. Okay, let's suppose we start a new project. Okay, for me to start on this, assume I have done this. This is just a project, nothing fancy here. Let's say mechanical one floor plan. Okay, we learn about this when we come forward. Okay, we have to do the, I'm not doing the architectural file, I'm not talking about it. Okay, so first thing, when you see a project, okay, you can go to file and then new project, and then we can click. Okay, listen, if you are an architect, okay, I'm not discriminating anyone, but you will go to default metric. Okay, if you're using metric means millimeter, kilometer, centimeter, millimeter, whatever. And imperial means inches or feet, whatever. Okay, so if you are in default metric, if you're planning to draw, if you're planning to draw, let's say walls, doors, architect, if you are playing with this tab which is open here, you will click default, means if you're creating something. If you are an MEP guy, you will click system default metric. Okay, so yeah, let's say we've clicked and say okay, project, we're creating a new project. You will see a blank screen, you will not see something here fancy, but I thought, for just for argument's sake, I will keep it this way. Okay, so what's the first thing? This is called application menu. Application menu. Application menu. Okay, application menu. Okay, before it was called a big R, now we just said application menu. Okay, so if you click this one, you will get the menu. Okay, underneath it, beside it, is called quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. QAT. Quick access toolbar. What does it mean, quick access toolbar? quick access. I can access it quickly. What I can access? Any command. For example, system. If I want to draw, let's say duct to be here, I need to come to system and then click. What I can do is right click, add to quick access toolbar. You will see it here. Okay. If I don't want it, right click, remove from quick access toolbar. Okay, that's as simple as that. Generally, I keep it as it is. We don't modify anything. Below that is our friend called the ribbon. This complete thing is called the ribbon. Where am I? Here. Okay, this is called the ribbon. Each ribbon is made up of tabs. It's called architectural tab, structural tab, system tab. Okay, they are called tabs. Each tab is made up of panel. So this is called panel. Okay. Okay. So this is called a panel. Let me just rub everything. Okay. So you can see build this line. Can you see? This is called a panel. Okay. So we can say each tab, architectural tab, is made up of panels. Okay. The group of commands. I hope this is clear. Okay. So if I will just clear this, say let's say system is made up of panel. If I drag this off, this is a panel. Okay, to get him back, just click this small arrow, you go back. Okay, so panel, properties palette. How did I get it? If I close it, right click, go to properties, you will find different properties. Project browser similarly. Okay, what is a properties? Properties is, let's say if I select something, it gives me properties of the selected object. Okay, similarly, project browser is a list of views. Okay? I thought I'd just give you a small introduction of this, maybe in the next class or something. You just wanted to learn the different types of what is the interface. Okay, so this is the drawing or model space. This is the properties palette. This is the project browser, and then the ribbon. Okay, completely. This is tab. They are called panel. Okay. Hope everybody enjoyed this small, quick, and he just wanted to ask me, John, can you upgrade it? So I thought I'd just show you the small video. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this class. So we will see each other in the next class. Okay. So take care and yeah.